gestation. A children that has suboptimal routine immunization. That's why we call on all parents to make sure they take their children for vaccination as at when due. The moment a child is given birth, a vaccine will be given to him.
I'm a polio survivor, and I have a little write up here that I will read out, please. You look at me, I'm not an illustration from a history book. I'm not a black and white photograph from 1955. I'm your neighbor, I'm someone's child, and I am what a virus leaves behind when we are too late. I breathe today because my lungs still barely work. I cannot lift my hand to wave you goodbye. I cannot move my legs. I cannot walk to the podium. I was carried here by a chair, by the hands of others. Why? Because I made polio virus before I made the vaccine. For those of you who have not seen polio up close, let me describe it. It is not a fever that passes. It is not a rash that fades. It is a thief that climbs up your spine and cuts the wires to your arms, your legs, your diaphragm. It leaves you awake, aware, and in prison in your own flesh. I'm telling you this during this immunization week, not to frighten you, but to wake you up because I hear the whispers. I see the social media posts. Polio is gone, the risk is zero. Vaccine have side effects. Let me be very clear. The side effect of not vaccinating me, the side effect of hesitation is a child learning to breathe through a hole in their throat. The side effect of delay is the generation of quadriplegics filling the wards we have long since closed. We have a miracle in a dropper. It costs pennies. It tastes bitter, but it saves legs. It saves future. When you hold your child for their vaccination, you are not injecting poison. You are building a wall. You are telling the virus, not this house, not this street, not this generation. I've spent decades looking at the ceiling. I've spent decades wondering what it feels to hold something high, to run in the rain. Do not let another child ask those questions. Do not hinder the vaccine, hinder the virus. Hold up your sleeve, open your mouth, and if you see a parent who is afraid, show them my photo. Show them the wheelchair. Ask them which risk is actually afraid of. Thank you.